Have you ever been broke before?
What?
Have you ever been broke before?
Broke?
Yeah.
No, unfortunately not.
No, but I gotta ask you, what do you do for a living out in Los Angeles?
What's that?
What do you do for a living out in Los Angeles?
I'm retired.
What did you do?
I was in clothing, manufacturing, retail.
Were you a business owner?
Yes, I was a business owner for 45 years.
Over these 45 years, what was the most amount of money that you ever made in a single year?
Yeah, all right, 10 million.
$10 million.
Yeah.
As an 8-figure entrepreneur, what's the best financial advice you would give to the younger generation today?
If you can lose something, then risk it. All the rest, don't risk it.
What was the best financial decision that you made?
Buying real estate.
How can somebody make their money work for them?
What's that?
How can somebody make their money work for them in today's world?
Don't believe in anything. People have to live someplace. Go invest, open your mind, open your heart. Don't be afraid, you'll be fine.
Did you use your money to buy real estate, or did you borrow money?
I came to this country with $400 in my pocket in 1974.
Did you borrow money from banks to buy real estate?
No.
How did
We
you buy
just
real
kept on
estate?
rolling and investing, opening store, investing, buying, selling. Just keep on moving, have fun, look around, enjoy life.
What's the secret to sales?
There's no secret to sale. Every sale is different. Every sale has its own personality, its own characteristics. So I really got to go. I got Shakespeare
Last
class.
one, communication. How important is it to learn how to communicate?
Very important.
Yeah?
Very important. Extremely. Honesty, communication. Open your mind, open your heart, and you'll be fine.
Thank you so much for your time, sir. What's your name?
Dan
Dan
Barone.
James.
It's a
Nice to meet
pleasure.
you.
All
Have
the
a great
best,
day.
guys. All the best.